Losing 20 kilograms in just 8 months without ever stepping foot in a gym sounds almost too good to be true. But that's exactly what Nihira Aggarwal, a dedicated mother of 3 and popular Instagram influencer, has achieved. Her story is a powerful reminder that you don't need fancy equipment or expensive memberships to transform your body. With determination, a well-structured plan, and mindful nutrition, sustainable weight loss is entirely possible from the comfort of your own home. In a world where fitness often feels synonymous with pricey gym subscriptions and complex diet fads, Nihira's journey stands out as refreshingly simple and accessible. She has inspired thousands by openly sharing how she shed 20 kilograms over 8 months through consistent home workouts combined with a disciplined lifestyle. Her approach proves that with the right mindset and routine, anyone can make significant progress without the intimidation of a gym environment. So what does her weekly workout look like? Unlike celebrity transformations that rely on personal trainers and high-end facilities, Nihira's plan is straightforward and easy to follow. She dedicates 4 days a week to weight training, 2 days to cardio, and reserves 1 day for rest. This balance ensures she challenges her body while allowing time for recovery, which is crucial for long-term success. Nihira has even shared her exact workout schedule on Instagram, making it easier for others to replicate her success. Each day targets different muscle groups to maximize effectiveness and prevent burnout. Mondays focus on legs, with exercises such as squats, lunges, and hip thrusts that build strength and tone lower body muscles. Tuesdays are all about core workouts, including crunches, planks, and Russian twists, which help improve posture and stability. Wednesdays target the arms, while Thursdays concentrate on back and shoulder exercises, ensuring a balanced upper body routine. Fridays and Saturdays are reserved for high-intensity interval training, HIIT, a cardio method known for burning calories efficiently in shorter periods. Sundays are dedicated to rest and recovery, a vital component often overlooked but essential for preventing injury and maintaining motivation. Each session lasts around 40 minutes, including warm-ups and stretching to prepare the body and reduce soreness. Nihira performs 3 sets of each exercise and has developed a smart habit of recording her workouts. This allows her to monitor her form and posture, a clever technique especially helpful for those training without a personal coach. But Nihira's success isn't just about exercise. She emphasizes several key principles that anyone aiming to lose weight at home should consider. Setting realistic, achievable goals helps maintain motivation and prevents discouragement. Sticking to a fixed workout schedule builds discipline over time, turning fitness into a sustainable habit rather than a short-term fix. She also recommends incorporating simple equipment like resistance bands or dumbbells to enhance workout intensity and results. Nutrition plays an equally important role in her transformation. Nihira follows a clean, balanced diet and listens carefully to her body's signals, making adjustments as needed to avoid injury and support long-term health. This mindful approach to eating and exercise highlights that weight loss is not just about burning calories, but about nurturing your body holistically. Experts back up Nihira's approach. According to the Mayo Clinic, it's important to assess your progress after the first 6 weeks of any fitness journey. This checkpoint helps determine if your routine is effective or if changes are necessary. Additionally, the 2020 to 2025 Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommend combining reduced calorie intake with increased physical activity for successful weight management. Typically, cutting 500 to 750 calories per day from your usual diet supports safe and steady weight loss. Regularly reviewing your progress every few months ensures you stay on track and adjust your workouts as needed, whether that means increasing intensity or maintaining your current routine. This ongoing evaluation is key to aligning your fitness plan with your personal goals. But here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that without professional supervision, home workouts risk improper form or injury. Nihira's solution, recording herself to self-correct, raises an interesting question. Can self-monitoring truly replace expert guidance? What do you think? Is it enough to rely on your own observations, or is a coach indispensable for safe, effective training? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Nihira Aggarwal's inspiring story challenges the common belief that gyms are essential for weight loss. Her disciplined, home-based routine, combined with balanced nutrition, proves that with focus and consistency, remarkable transformations are within anyone's reach. So, if you've been hesitant to start your fitness journey because of gym intimidation or cost, maybe it's time to reconsider. Your living room might just be the perfect place to begin.